Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for G6FD194. This is a 2006 Ford Explorer, 4-door. Thing went for quite a ride. Got some miles on it, but it does run well. Got 186,000 on it. We don't lie about our mileage. I did cut the belt to get it running. She's running good. Got nice clean oil. Doesn't seem to have any misses or anything. It does have some lights on, but this thing went through quite a trip. So I am feeling that it is more accident related because it's got every light in the book on. Let's see if I can get the mileage up here. 186,413 miles. Door back open here. Hear it rev up a little bit. Revs up nice and smooth. Thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for G6FD194. Thank you and have a nice day.